Two outfits, both put together with real thought. One looks expensive in spring 2026. One is already dating itself, and most women cannot immediately tell which is which until they know what to look for. Every spring, the fashion industry gives you a list of what to buy. Almost none of it was designed for your body, your age, or your real life. I went through hundreds of sources for this. Tagwalk, Vogue, Marie Claire, Net-a-Porter, all of them. And the pattern is clear. Several of the trends being pushed hardest right now are the exact ones that will quietly date your outfit. The mistake is not ignoring the list. The mistake is trusting it completely, without knowing which ones are doing the damage. I am going to show you all 8, starting with the one that is still on every spring magazine cover right now, and should not be. Most women approaching spring trends focus on what to add. That is almost never where the problem is. The problem is in a specific combination, and it is aging outfits the moment it goes on. Net-a-Porter calls leather a key trend. Watch what happens here. Leather trouser paired with a frilly blouse or a busy print on top. Out. Together. Leather trousers peaked in 2022. A frilly blouse over a leather trouser puts volume on top and sheen on the bottom. Two competing statements, neither wins. Together they lock the outfit to a very specific moment in time. I know what you are thinking, but how about adding a plain top? And still, in warm weather, they are genuinely impractical. Here is exactly the formula that replaces it. Wide leg linen trouser in one of this season's colors, camel, terracotta, warm orange, or cream, paired with a clean fitted top, a ribbed knit, a plain scoop neck, a simple cotton shirt with the collar turned up, no print, no frill, tuck in, add a slingback or woven flat. That is the complete outfit. Coffee, gallery, dinner, school pickup, it works for all of them. Here is the part most people miss. Leather accessories are not going anywhere. A leather bag, a leather belt, leather shoes, all still right in 2026. It is specifically the leather trouser that has aged. The material is not the problem. The garment is. Keep leather in your accessories, drop it in your trousers. You stay current without buying a single new thing. Most people get this wrong, and I did too until I understood why. Frills, feathers, fringe, the runway is full of them. Marie Claire calls them major spring 2026 trends. They look incredible in editorial. On a runway model in perfect lighting, yes. But in real life, frills add volume at the exact places most of us do not need extra volume. Feathers read as costume the moment you leave the house, and fringe signals effort, which is the opposite of expensive. The outfits that look most expensive are the ones that look like no effort was made at all. Here's exactly what to take instead. A fine pleated midi skirt in a neutral or one of these spring ski colors, or crinkle fabric in a trouser or wide leg pant. The formula: fine pleated skirt or crinkle trouser, fitted top tucked in, one clean accessory. The skirt does the work. Most women avoid pleats because they think pleats add bulk. That fear is outdated, and it comes from the 1990s box pleat, which genuinely did add bulk. Watch what happens here. A fine pleat does the exact opposite. It creates a vertical line that lengthens every figure. And yes, frills fringes can be used in the accessories. This is a perfect way to add personality. Quick pause, because if this is resonating, I have put together something specific for exactly this. It is called the French Finish Checklist. It is the list of small moves that create the expensive effect without buying anything new. It is free. Link is in the description. Get it? Come back, let's keep going. This is the one that should officially rest. And I want to explain exactly why. Visible logos. Logomania peaked between 2018 and 2023. It is now the single fastest way to look like you are trying to signal money, rather than actually having it. The signal has flipped. A logo that once said, "I can afford this," now says, "I bought this to be seen wearing it." Those are very different messages to the people who know fashion well. Watch what happens here. Every piece has one thing in common: no words, no logos, just cut, fabric, and proportion. Sculptural silhouettes, clean proportions, warm neutrals, tailored trousers with proper drape, a structured bag with no visible branding. Exactly this combination is what reads as expensive to a trained eye in 2026. And to someone who actually knows fashion, they read as more expensive than the bag. Quiet luxury is not about spending more. It is about spending on the right category of thing. And the next one is the one most people have never thought about. Now, let me slow down on this one. The shoe is doing more work in an outfit than most people realize. Chunky platform trainers. Out as a styling statement. And I want to be precise here. Trainers in general are not the problem. A clean white trainer or a minimal leather trainer still works completely. It is specifically this thick-soled platform that has the timestamp on it. Here is exactly the formula that instantly upgrades any spring outfit. A sleek, slim version. Clean, intentional, expensive looking, and genuinely comfortable, which at this point in life is not a minor consideration, and this is exactly where it gets interesting. This next one is the trend I am most excited about this season. Head-to-toe boho maximalism. Out. Multiple competing textures, mixed prints all at once, heavy accessories stacking on top of each other. This look has officially crossed from creative into chaotic. When everything in an outfit is fighting for attention, nothing wins. What is replacing it is the exact opposite. One precise, intelligent detail inside a clean look. Here are the best examples of exactly how lace is being worn right now. It is never a full lace dress. It is never lace head to toe. It is one lace element interrupting an otherwise clean outfit. A lace camisole under an oversized blazer. A lace hem just visible below a sweater. One element, that is the formula. The blazer is structured, the jeans are straight, the bag is minimal. This is the part nobody talks about. Lace only works in this formula if the rest of the outfit is clean. You need the contrast, which means this trend rewards women who have already developed a personal style. The lace is not the point, the discipline of everything around it is the point. That is exactly why it looks expensive when it is done right. All over competing prints, the mistake that makes an outfit lose its center of gravity. Out. One statement, print per outfit. That rule has not changed. When you stack tiger print over florals over a patterned bag, the outfit becomes visual noise. Noise never reads as expensive, it reads as overthought. Prints are not the problem, the volume of prints at once is the problem. Yellow, orange, and purple are the standout colors of the season, and the formula for wearing them is color blocking, not all over print. Watch what happens here. One strong color below, one neutral above. Terracotta or orange linen trouser, cream or bone-fitted top, yellow blazer over wide navy trousers. That's it. Here is where I see the most common mistake, and it is one of the easiest to fix once you see it. Oversized jacket over oversized trousers, the shapeless version of androgynous dressing. out. The androgynous direction is not going anywhere, but there is a specific version of it where both pieces hide the shape entirely. When everything is boxy, nothing is doing any work. You lose the tension that makes an outfit look styled rather than just dressed. One piece holds the masculine structure. One piece creates the feminine contrast. Sharp blazer with a fitted or slightly flared trouser. Structured jacket over a delicate lace or silk camisole. Oversized coat with a fitted midi skirt underneath. That tension between them, that is exactly what makes an outfit look styled. The sporty element, a windbreaker, a sporty bag, clean white trainers, still works in 2026. But the rule is one sporty piece into an otherwise polished outfit. Interesting. One signal is intentional. 3 signals is athleisure. A windbreaker over tailored trousers and a slingback is genuinely interesting. The same windbreaker over joggers, over chunky trainers, is just comfortable clothes. And it might be the most useful thing in this entire video. Military regalia. The band jacket, epaulette, heavy brocade look, out. Marie Claire lists it as a major spring trend. Some of you will remember this from around 2014 or 2015. Write me the year in the comments. I can't quite remember when it peaked. It is a costume trend. But when a real woman wears a full regalia look, she either looks theatrical or stuck in a decade that already passed. What I would take instead? Poet core is the soft 19th century inspired aesthetic. A ruffled blouse with a billowing sleeve, an open collar, delicate fabric that moves when you move. Personality without the costume energy. It reads as deliberate, it costs nothing. You can do it right now with what you already own. The collar up trick works best on pieces you have had for a long time. It changes things more than you expect. Here is the truth behind all these pairs. The women who always look polished are not spending more than you. They are not working harder. They are editing better. They have learned to see what creates the expensive effect and what quietly destroys it. And once you see these things, you cannot unsee them. Not in your own wardrobe, not in anyone else's. It is not about buying more. It is about choosing better. If this helped, subscribe and watch this next.